This is the information I shared in January. One MEC was $3.2 then. Now imagine if you had bought, as I said, if you have money, buy this MEC and stake it on the app. Stake it and you get returns for it. If you had bought it, by now you should be in like 100%. You should have 100% of your investment, right? This is because then it was 3 point something. Now imagine if you bought, even if it's just one, right? Even if it's just one you bought, or let's say you bought 10. Imagine if you bought like 10, apart from the interest you get on it, then it was 3. Now it is 5 point something. Imagine more than 100 and something percent, because the interest you'll be getting on the staking will also be counted for you. I keep saying this and I keep saying this. This particular Web3 project is one of the best. It is one of the best. It's one of the best. And actually, you can actually what? And place an ad here. Of course, you need to verify your account for you to what? Be able to post an ad. All right, let's go to the buy. Let's see what people are selling it for. Look at people that are selling. They're selling at 5.8 at look at someone selling at 10 USDT, 200 USDT. Like, although that particular price is too much, right? Let's say 10 USDT, you're selling at 10, you're selling at 6 USDT, depending on how much you want to sell, right? And these are the people buying. These are the people buying, right? But you can sell to them, right? You sell to them, okay? You sell to them at 5.48, right? If you just want to do a quick sell, you can just click here to sell to them and authorize your account and you sell, right? For the buy, for this, you can actually buy from these people, all right? But you can be a seller, right? Why people buy from you right here. So this is one of the projects I don't want you to miss out on, all right? In my next video, I'm going to show you how to register and how to get your account verified, right? There's a new method you use to verify your account, so please do well to like this video and subscribe to this channel, because this particular update is very, very good, and I believe in the potential of this Mecp2p. I believe one MEC is going to be 20 USDT very soon, all right? But this is not the financial advice. You do your own research first, and then if you are convinced that this is a good thing for you, try it out. Whatever I'm sharing with you is from my own research, okay? So you can research on your own to see if it is a good one for you, all right? So that will be it for this video.